Hey, little buddy. Everybody's waiting for you. Arthur, what's wrong?
This is what's wrong. It was my present for Mom and I broke it.
Yikes. Maybe we could glue it back together.
No, it would look terrible. Everything's ruined.
Gee, that's a shame. But you know, Christmas is about more than just presents.
I know, that's what grown-ups always say, but she was really gonna like this.
Well, it's not over yet. There's still a whole day ahead of us. Let's go back down.
Yeah. With my luck, I'll probably knock over the tree.
Hey, that's my job.